Phrasal verbs form an important part of English speaking. In this video, we are going to explore a variety of inseparable phrasal verbs. So let's begin. Is turn up. That means to increase. We need to turn up the volume. Next is cut back on. That means to reduce the amount of money you spend. We need to cut back on spending, or we need to cut back on expenditures. Pick on. That means bully or tease someone. I don't like them. They always pick on me. Take after. That means resemble. I take after my mom. That means I resemble my mom. Throw up. To vomit. Please don't throw up in here. Up to. Admire or respect someone. I look up to my mother. She is a great woman. Put up with. To tolerate someone or something. How do you put up with such a mean boss? Run out of. Not have any more of something. We have run out of money. Let's work harder. Pull through. To survive a serious illness or operation. It was a risky operation, but my aunt pulled through. That means she survived. Carry on. To continue doing something. The teacher carried on the class for 2 hours. Catch up with. To meet. I need to catch up with my friends tomorrow. Come across. Find something by chance. I came across an interesting video while scrolling through YouTube. Get at. That means to imply or try to say something indirectly. Sorry, I'm not sure what you are getting at. Can you please repeat? Get on. Generally to enter public transport. Example, Sanjeev got on the train to Delhi. Get out of. To exit a car or taxi. Be careful when you get out of the car. Get over. To recover or feel well again. It took me a long time to get over the last cold I had. Get off. To make an exit. Sanjeev got off the bus when it arrived at its stop. Get on with. To concentrate on doing something. I need to get on with my homework. Go over. To review. Remember to go over your submission carefully. Go with. Look good with another piece of clothing. Do these shoes go with my jacket? Keep up with. To run at the same speed. Slow down. I can't keep up with you. Live up to. Be as good as people had hoped. Amira has really lived up to everyone's expectations. Look forward to. Wait for something with excitement. He was looking forward to going to the beach. Look after. care for or take responsibility of. Kindly look after my children when I am at work. So that was all about this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many such interesting videos. Bye-bye.